Hello grade 5 students and welcome to the Qatar history class. So today we're going to review lesson 2 colonial forces in Qatar and the Arabian Gulf region, and we're going to solve the exercises. So the Arabian Gulf countries are Iraq, Kuwait, Bahrain, Qatar, United Arab Emirates, Oman and Saudi Arabia. So there were a lot of conflicts between the Arab forces and the Portuguese maritime forces, and the Portuguese used a fierce means of torture between the period of 1507 and 1650. And in the beginning of the 16th century, the Portuguese boosted their power in the Arabian Gulf region after controlling the Strait of Hormuz. And in 1627, the Portuguese boats opened fire on the coast villages of Qatar to maintain the interest of the Portuguese. And in the middle of 17th century, the Portuguese colonists encountered valiant Arab resistance that led to expel them from the Arabian Gulf region. So Netherlands established the Dutch East India Company, and its trade and political influence increased in the Arabian Gulf in 1602. And Britain signed a maritime peace treaty with the rulers of the Arabian Gulf region in 1820. In 1868, Britain signed an agreement with Sheikh Mohammed bin Thani, in which Britain recognized the independent emirate and Sheikh Mohammed bin Thani as the ruler of Qatar. And in 1916, Sheikh Abdullah bin Jassim Al Thani signed a protection convention with Britain, and it was renewed in 1935. Now I want you to open your box to page 21 in order to solve this exercise. So first of all, please pause the video here and solve the exercise by yourself. Now let's check your answers together. So number 1, part A, it's Britain who signed the Protection Convention with the State of Qatar in 1935. Part B, France built good relations with Muscat and signed a trade convention with the Sultan of Muscat. C. Britain imposed the General Peace Convention on the rulers of the region in 1820. And D is Britain, which is in 1868 Qatar signed an agreement with Britain. So now we're going to continue solving exercise 2 on page 21 on your book. So we're going to explain these sentences. So why France wasn't able to expand its domination in the Arabian Gulf? It is because of the continuous struggle with Britain. Part B. Despite success achieved by the Netherlands, it was forced to abandon its position in the Arabian Gulf. This is due to the risk that threatened its independence in Europe, especially after France and Britain signed a convention against it. Number C. The Portuguese domination is the worst form of colonization that the Arabian Gulf experienced, and this is because they committed the most fierce behaviors against the people in the Gulf, such as burning houses and torturing prisoners, as well as controlling the trade routes. Now your task for today is to open page 22 and solve number 3. So you need to arrange which of these events come in the beginning, second, and third. So this is the end of our lesson. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to write all the answers on your book and also to solve the homework and submit it before the due date.